Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would share a really easy Christmas DIY centerpiece with you guys. Now these branches you're looking at, I guess they're Christmas branches or Christmas picks. I got those from Joann's at a really good price. They were like $2.99 on sale if I'm not mistaken, and I love the snowy look on them. Now the tray and the foam, they are from Dollar Tree, and I'm just using it as a base. You won't even see them by the time I'm done making this centerpiece. And I simply cut the branches apart and just stick them down into the foam, and I will be adding some really gold and champagne color glittery picks along with a couple of gold poinsettias, and that's the first look. And for the center I used a hurricane, I believe it's called, like a candle holder. I had gotten those a while ago from Ross, really inexpensive, and that's the first look. Now I had these really nice large glittery pine cones I thought I wanted to add, but I felt like it was just too big and it just didn't look right on the centerpiece, so I didn't add that. Now for the second look, so super easy. I simply removed the gold flowers and just added some red ones closer to the candle in the center. Now you can place them wherever you wish. You can come further out onto the centerpiece, but I kept it pretty close. And then I simply went in with some more gold leaves, and just to make it look really festive. So you can add, depending on your color scheme, you could make you could add blue to this, or silver, I guess, if you want, or even white if you wanted like a more wintry look. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I hope you will consider subscribing. Thank you all so very much for watching. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.